How much should you actually spend on a Hawkins tri-ply stainless steel pressure cooker? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Deluxe Alpha Pressure Cooker. Let's kick things off with the Deluxe Alpha Stainless Steel Pressure Cooker from Prestige. Priced at $49.99, this one caught my eye because of its unique alpha base. If you want a reliable cooker that heats evenly and provides consistent results, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2.11 quart capacity is perfect for small families or meal prepping. The unique pressure indicator is a real game changer, helping you monitor cooking without lifting the lid. It has a controlled gasket release system that reduces the risk of accidents and makes cooking safer. With over 200 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are finding value in this product. Now, some people complained about the manual operation, saying it can feel dated compared to automatic models. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy cooking and want to control the process, this manual pressure cooker gives you that flexibility. It's not a deal breaker if you prefer traditional methods. This is perfect for you if you're a home cook who loves hands-on control, but skip this one if you're looking for high-tech options. For $49.99, you're getting solid value in the world of pressure cookers. Now, if the manual operation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, the 3-liter inner lid cooker. The 3-liter inner lid pressure cooker from Hawkins, priced at $56. Its wide design really caught my attention, promising even cooking. If you want a well-built cooker that can handle daily meals for small families, this one is definitely worth considering. It's designed for 3 to 4 persons, making it ideal for small households. The food-grade stainless steel body is not only hygienic, but also stays shiny over time, which is a nice touch. The extra thick sandwich bottom ensures even heating, so you won't end up with burnt rice at the bottom. Plus, the improved pressure regulator is designed to save fuel, which could mean a small drop in your bills. Some reviews noted that the wider design can make it bulkier to store, but honestly, if you're cooking larger meals or need something that heats evenly, this is a minor issue. The benefits far outweigh this small inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're cooking for a small family or enjoy hosting casual dinners. Skip this one if you need something compact for tight storage spaces. At $56, you're getting great quality for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for slightly larger families.
Product number 3, 5-liter Contura cooker. The 5-liter Contura pressure cooker from Hawkins, retailing at $72.98. This one really stands out for its capacity, making it perfect for bigger families or batch cooking. If you need a cooker that can handle more, this is worth a look. With a 5-liter capacity, it can easily serve 5 to 7 people, so it's great for meal prepping or family gatherings. 100% stainless steel body means no worries about rust or corrosion, which is a big relief in the kitchen. A 6.6mm thick sandwich bottom ensures even cooking, so you won't have to worry about hot spots ruining your meal. The curved body design makes stirring easier, which is a nice bonus. Now, some users pointed out that it might take a bit longer to come to pressure compared to smaller cookers, but honestly, the extra capacity and even cooking make it worth the wait if you're preparing larger meals. This is perfect for you if you like to cook in larger batches or have a bigger family. Skip it if you usually cook for 1 or 2 people. For $72.98, it's a solid investment for anyone who needs capacity without sacrificing quality. Now, if the size is what you need, the next product might just catch your eye.
Product number 4, 3-liter Contura cooker. The 3-liter Contura pressure cooker, also from Hawkins, priced at $53.06. This one is compact, but still offers many great features. If you're looking for a reliable cooker that won't take up too much kitchen space, this is a great option. It's designed for 3 to 4 people, perfect for smaller households or quick meals. The 100% stainless steel construction ensures durability and hygiene, while the 6.6mm thick bottom helps distribute heat evenly. No more unevenly cooked meals. Plus, its base stays flat and will not bulge, ensuring longevity. Some reviews mentioned that the capacity might feel small for bigger families. Here's the thing though, if you typically cook for 2 or 3 people, this size is perfect and won't waste energy or space. This is perfect for you if you live alone or have a small family. Skip this if you often prepare meals for larger groups. At $53.06, it's a price point that makes a lot of sense for smaller kitchens. All right, that brings us to our final cooker, which promises to bring some serious cooking power.
Product number 5, 6.5 liter Contura Black Cooker. Let's look at the 6.5 liter Contura Black Pressure Cooker from Hawkins, priced at $64.65. This one is designed for larger gatherings, accommodating 7 to 9 people easily. If you're looking for something that can handle all your family meals, this is worth considering. The hard anodized body heats up faster than regular stainless steel, which means you'll spend less time waiting for meals. The stainless steel lid ensures it won't react with food, preserving the flavors you want. Plus, the inside fitting safety lid won't open until the pressure has fully dropped, which is a great safety feature. Some users have noted that it's heavier than expected, making it a bit cumbersome to handle. But honestly, if you're cooking for a crowd, the weight is a small price to pay for the added capacity and efficiency. This is perfect for you if you regularly cook for large families or gatherings. Skip this if you're only cooking for 1 or 2. For $64.65, you're getting a solid cooker that prioritizes safety and efficiency.
We've looked at a range of Hawkins tri-ply stainless steel pressure cookers, each catering to different needs. From the compact Deluxe Alpha to the spacious 6.5 liter Contura, there's something for everyone. Choose one that fits your cooking style and family size, and happy cooking.